Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals there. Even you can join us there and over there you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, we've been waiting all the whole day and us we are here. The market doesn't move to nowhere and actually the market today give us here a very clear indecision candle. As you see it here, a very clear indecision candle here in the daily. But that man in that level which is here, look at it, because just by your eye, look at it. If you came here, that level here and that one here, and you try to connect them by a square, by a zone like that, what you see? You are in a very stronger level. Also, we don't want to go back to the past, just here. Look with me here, and now here you are here. That way you see that indecision candle. No one want to sell. I'm talking here about long-term investors. No one of them want to sell. All of them, they think they still believe in the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. And those ones, they sell in here because some people here, they taking profit. Those ones, they enter from down here. They started taking profit and all the indicators now, they are at the overbought at that level here. So for long-term investors, should we get scared? Should we close in? No, my friend. For long-term investors, there is nothing yet. You need to wait more. And if you see here, our indicator, it started entering here to the overbought area. So you need to be focused about those things. But me personally, I think we need to wait in the break to happen here, because for us to know the bull market or the real bull market started, it's need to break here. Forget about those major channels. They never ever trade, and majority of them, they earning just money by ads. We need to break at least here, that level here, for us to know the real bull market started. If we haven't and we show us here a price action, maybe the market from here is going to reverse. So we need to break that level where we are, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here it is, that the coming news for today, as you see it, that the news we got today. We got here that manufacturing PMI of UK, then we got that one here of Germany, then we got that one here, services PMI of USA. All of them, they will not got a big impact to the market, but we need to focus about them because those days the Bitcoin is a little bit correlated to US stocks. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us here, as you see it. What it's telling us today. Look at it here, what it's telling us today. Today, the Dow Jones, it's red, it closed the day red. But the SP and the Nasdaq, both of them, they close in the day green, but not that green. It's a little bit a small candle green. So that's showing to us the market is a little bit try to recover, but not yet, because for the SP it's still falling down. That 4 days will be falling down. Today just a green candle, a small green candle. So there is nothing yet. And down here, that our friend is the VIX, as you see it. Today we break that 13, that mascarnage is very low, guys. So there is nothing to be worried till now. And down here, look at it, US dollar, even that one a little bit going up today, but not that much, a little bit. Yesterday we used to be 101, today we are 102. Man, a little bit we go up, but there is nothing yet. We need to wait and more till the right time, guys. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. By the way, Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please support us. Yesterday we told you we want that video to reach to 70 likes. You make it. Even today we want that video to reach to 70 likes. So please support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, guys. Also, we said here that level here we need a price action. Till now here we haven't got a clear price action here for swing trader or in the 4 hours. So we need to wait till we got the right price action here. If it's going to continue or from here we're going to fall down. Till now we haven't got something here very clear. The only thing we got there is that trend line here. That one here. That one, if we fall down and we break it here, maybe we're going to enter short if we break in here the trend line. But till now we haven't got nothing, guys. So we need to wait and more bounce here. As I've been teaching you guys, I've been telling you that thousands of times, when there is a rocket going up like that, it's need to bounce like that. And that's what the Bitcoin is doing here in that level here, because I just show you in the daily we got a very stronger level. It's need the Bitcoin to bounce here to give us here a clear price action. Then from there we're going to make a decision based on that to give us like I would give us before here a double top or something like that. And from here we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now we don't got nothing, so us we still waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we be in here at the overbought area that go into 3 days now. Should we enter short? No, my friend. When that indicator is it here at the overbought area, it's indicating that it's over controlled by the bulls. It doesn't mean the market is going to reverse. For us to enter a short now or a long, we need a price action. Like I will show you before, we used to have here that wage is getting broke. We enter long till here. Now we need here a price action. If there is no price action, there is no entry short yet. Yes, us now we are under the control of the bulls now. We are out of that zone here, so there is nothing yet. We need to wait and more till the right time, guys. Everything is still clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. Even that one, as you see it, guys, it's enter here to the overbought area. Level us, we are in a very stronger level, as you see it. Should we enter short? No, my friend. We need a price action. Before here, that zone here, it gave us double top there. Over here, it gave us here a wage. Over here, it gave us here a head and shoulder. Even now here, for us to enter short, it need the market to give us here a price action here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry. And me personally, I think us we are going to break even that level here. So be ready, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here in 30 minutes today we haven't entered no long, no short. We've been waiting all the whole day. We got here a very clear flag like that. I put it even here in the community tab in the YouTube here. As you see that the flag me I'm talking about. Very clear flag here. You just need to come to close it here and to put your symbol here. And you got a flag there as you see it. Now what shall we do? We've been waiting it to get broke here. It doesn't. We've been waiting to get broke down here. It doesn't. So us we still waiting. And now here the market he tried to give us here like a small head and shoulder here as you see it. You see it or no? That here, that the first shoulder. That one here, the head. And that one here is the second shoulder. Should we base our trade based on that head and shoulder here? Where is the neckline of that head and shoulder here? Be focused with me. The neckline is at the top of that flag here. Also we talking about over here. As you see it, the neckline of that head and shoulder. So it's the same, the top of that flag. If it's breaking here, it's going to continue it more upward, guys. If it doesn't, that's man from here, also we're going to fall down. And let me show you something here. Me have been waiting all the whole day. That one to get broke. And as you see it, that the take profits me I got here. That one here, that one here, that one here. 32,399. Second one 31,733, and the first one is at 31,19. Those ones the take profits me I got. If we break in here, I'm going to enter long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys, here for pictures to get more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it's showing it go out from overbought area and it's going down to the oversold area. Should we enter short? If it's breaking down here, yes, also we're going to enter short. If it's breaking above, also we're going to enter long, because that one is just an indicator or an oscillator. And all the indicators and oscillators, they don't work, guys. I've been teaching you that from the start of the channel, and now also we're going to 1 year. Every time I've been telling you guys, all the indicators, there is no indicator it's working, and anyone he's showing you a trading strategy or something based on indicator, don't follow him. Price action, it's always staying there in the chart, but indicators, they never stay in here. Me, I can show you all the price actions and all the signals also we enter in them. They stay in here in the chart, but oscillators, majority of the time, as you see it here, we enter to the overbought here till here. Look at that. So now what shall we do, guys? We're still waiting the break, what is going to happen. And you can even join us in our Telegram or Discord. If there is any signal, we're going to give it there. So I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. And if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.